Rover is a professional level robot at an entry level price.
With this robot, we let you connect at the exact same level we connect to it through UART, through our actual binary protocol that we send. So you can do really anything you want. If you want to make something that just drives from here to here, it drives straight, it drives well, you just call a single command and it's done. And at the same time, we get to expose something really low level.
We're going to have open SDKs, not only for Raspberry Pi, Microbit, but as well as Arduino. And eventually, we're going to have open SDKs for iOS, Android, maybe even Windows or Mac OS. We're not only going to just provide the documentation of how to use our SDK, but we're going to provide you a lot of rich content, a lot of samples and examples of how to get up and running, not just using Rover in itself, but how to integrate it with third-party boards, how you're going to integrate it with additional sensors to get you to the point where you can take an idea and build it.
A lot of the other robots you see on the market are either cheap toys that fall apart right away, they don't stand the test of time, or they're super expensive and the learning curve is really high.
Even for the maker community, it'll make hardware less intimidating. There's a lot of software folks who just want to make a really cool robot or have a really cool hardware platform, and I think we're saving them time and energy to get to the important things.
To get a robot to drive straight, be precise, and have really low latency communications, we're talking a lot of work.
It's difficult to debug a control system because if something goes wrong, you're not sure, was the motor too fast? Were the encoders wrong? Was my control system wrong? And getting those all just right is a significant amount of work. One of the things that I liked playing with at first when I was using it was to make it drive in a perfect circle. The radius was exact all the way around, and it just went in a circle after circle. For a consumer product that's running on rubber tank treads, I think that's pretty exceptional.
It is the product of, dozens and dozens of people over thousands of hours putting our best foot forward in 8 years of robotics experience all into this robot.